This is the future, exploring Apple's Vision Pro and how it will change everything. Hey there, folks! Welcome back to another episode of Tech Too Fast. Are you a fan of Apple products? If so, this one's for you. Today, we are going to share a bit of information about Apple's Vision Pro headset. Apple's Vision Pro headset is a groundbreaking mixed reality headset that is designed to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. It combines the best of virtual reality or VR and augmented reality or AR to create a seamless and immersive experience. Now, here are some of the key capabilities of the Vision Pro headset. High-resolution display. The headset features a high-resolution display that provides a realistic and immersive viewing experience. Eye tracking. This headset can track your eye movements, which allows it to customize the content you see based on your gaze. Hand tracking. Apple's Vision Pro can also track your hand movements, which allows you to interact with virtual objects and environments. Lastly, spatial audio. The headset provides immersive spatial audio, which makes you feel like you are in the middle of the action. Of course, Apple Vision Pro also have many uses. Gaming. Apple Vision Pro can be used to play immersive video games that are more realistic than anything that has come before. Education. The headset can be used to create immersive educational experiences that can help students learn more effectively. Remote work. This headset can also be used to create a virtual office that allows you to work remotely from anywhere in the world. Entertainment can be used to watch movies, TV shows, and other forms of entertainment in a more immersive way. Question is, how could the Vision Pro headset revolutionize industries like gaming, education, and remote work? Before we answer that question, let me ask you something. Are you excited to know about other technological stuff from our channel? If so, like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell button to get notified on our future videos. And don't forget to share. Remember, sharing is caring. So, here we go. The Vision Pro headset could revolutionize industries like gaming, education, and remote work. Through gaming, the headset could make gaming more immersive and realistic, which could lead to more people playing games and spending more time on it. Another thing, this headset could make education more engaging and effective, which could lead to better student outcomes. Lastly, when working, especially during remote work, Apple's Vision Pro headset could make remote work more productive and collaborative, which could lead to more people working remotely. You might be asking, when will the headset be released or how much is it? The Vision Pro headset is expected to be released in 2025. As of the price of it, is not yet known, but it is expected to be expensive and will require a powerful computer to run.
Shut up and take my money!
Overall, the Vision Pro headset is a groundbreaking technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the world. It's a must-have for anyone who is interested in the latest and greatest in technology. Until next time, stay curious, stay updated, and save up some money to buy your most awaited tech products. See you on the next Tech Too Fast episode. Bye-bye!